Hey there, thanks for stopping by manlybands.com, where we're bringing you the internet's most inspirational quotes of the day, which today happens to be the best way to cheer yourself up is to cheer somebody else up. And maybe that is by buying them a beautiful band from manlybands.com. I have one right here inside of this box that might do that very thing that we like to call the Twain. This is one of our made-to-order rings. Ships beautifully, packs beautifully. And speaking of beautifully, there's this, and it's a card, and it says, "Welcome to the Manly Bands movement." Inside, there's a compliment, there's some customer service information, and these beautiful pictures telling you about social media, where to find us, how to tag, and all those others. It doesn't really tell you how to tag, it just tells you what the tag is. Hopefully, by now, you know how to tag a picture on the internet. If not, I don't know how you got here in the first place. Anyway, inside, there we have it, the Twain. The Twain is a Damascus steel with a whiskey barrel sleeve and an acid finish. Super cool. That whiskey barrel slides right on. Now the name could come from an homage to our man Samuel Clemens, or it could be just from the desire to split your enemies in twain. I don't know. We don't know what your skill level is, okay? But we'd love to find out. That's why we put all that information about social media in there. Inside, we also have this, which is our black silicone band that's perfect for every occasion, whether writing or splitting people in twain. And some special promotional offers that, we think that they're deals that you would like because we like them and we like what you like, okay? So, this is Manly Bands just reminding you that if you always tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything except the Twain from manlybands.com.